Oh my god, can you believe it? Just over a week ago, I was complaining how I couldn't get monetized on my YouTube channel, and now here I am a week later having a fully monetized YouTube channel. Maybe I should complain more from now on. That seems to get things done. Anyways, finally guys, finally. It has been a very long journey, but after 1.5 years of consistent uploads and testing, and all the ups and downs, my YouTube channel is finally monetized. Frankly speaking, I don't think I've done it fast enough. There are certainly other channels out there who has achieved this goal much faster, but hey, I'm monetized. Okay, maybe I should explain what I did to get things working again because no one deserves the hell I just went through. So if your channel is not monetized yet or about to, make sure you listen carefully and run these few checks beforehand. First is the review process, and for this, I think mine had a pretty quick response, but it kept giving me an error at step 2, which is setting up AdSense. The problem I had here was I have several AdSense accounts under different Gmail accounts, and somehow I cannot create a new AdSense account that is specifically for my YouTube channel. So I used an existing AdSense account, submitted my application, and then 5 hours later, my application got rejected because Google detected that my account already has an existing AdSense account under another Gmail account. Now, before you go about blaming YouTube, I just want to make it clear that this isn't YouTube's fault. Yes, I know AdSense and YouTube are all under Google, but they are two completely different teams, so let's not put them together. Anyways, what AdSense is supposed to do is to add my YouTube channel to my AdSense account. But there's a small problem with their logic because every time I submit my application, AdSense seems to think that I'm applying for AdMob. AdMob, just like YouTube, is also another platform by Google, but it manages mobile app advertising only, which is what I use for my mobile apps. What this means is essentially the application link is broken, and I don't know whose fault it is, but it doesn't matter because what matters more is how is this going to affect you and how can you avoid this. The simplest way for you is to make sure that you do not have an AdSense account at all and start fresh, because that's what I did. I had to close my AdMob account and make it as though everything is new again. So what you want to do is to check all of your logged in Gmail accounts, sign into each one of them and head over to AdSense. If the Gmail account you are signed into has an AdSense account, you'll see the AdSense dashboard instead. And if you see this, make sure you close this account. Do not ever apply for ads for YouTube from here or it will go horribly wrong. Now, once you close your AdSense account, make sure to also head to pay.google.com. Then click on Settings, head to the very bottom here and click on Close Payments Profile. If you have other profiles linked to this payments profile, Google will prevent you from closing it. So if you have not closed your AdSense account, you won't be able to close this payment profile either. Do this for every Gmail account you have and close the payment profile. If you can close the payments profile, then you have pretty much cleared all the products related to Google from that Gmail account. And once you have done that and you have hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, head over to YouTube Studio, click on monetization, and then apply for an AdSense account from there. Do not by any means apply for an AdSense account from AdSense or you will mess everything up. And after that's done, you get this beautiful screen that tells you that you're finally monetized, and that's one big major goal achieved for small YouTube channels. You will also see this nice little welcome video that explains some of the most commonly asked questions after joining the YouTube Partner Program. Shouldn't they show this video before they join the YouTube Partner Program? Sometimes I just don't understand. But hey, now you've graduated from being a small YouTube channel to still a small YouTube channel actually. Okay, I know you guys didn't ask for this, but I just want to address this and make it very clear. I think it is very fair for YouTube to set 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as the very first goal to get monetized. The reason I think it is fair is because they're actually very accurate. You must be wondering, what the hell am I talking about? I've gained 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 more than what YouTube's target is, so that target is way off. So guys, here's the thing. I've always felt that my true subscribers is not 2,000 and it has always been 1,000 subscribers less. And the reason is because of this video here. It has the most views on my channel, but these views came from me running YouTube ads. And during this time, I gained over 1,000 subscribers, but this 800 to 900 watch hours, none of these were included into my watch hours because they aren't organic. So take away 1000 subs from my 2000 subs and I have roughly 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which to me is kind of scary how accurate this can be. This video which I ran ads on, I'm not even sure if it is a blessing or a curse. On the bright side, by running ads, I was able to tell that my video style is doing not too bad and people are subscribing and people are watching. On the other hand, it makes me frustrated that YouTube doesn't want to give me organic traffic. It would have been fantastic if it did because I'm getting quite confident in a lot of aspects of my YouTube channel. I'm just waiting for something to happen overnight. But enough of me rambling, and if you don't mind, please spare a few minutes of your time for me to share this fantastic milestone with you because you guys are the only people I want to share this with. I feel like this has been such a long journey. I know 1.5 years sounds short, and it is, but during this 1.5 years, I've experimented and put so much effort into improving every single video. If you ask me, this is actually the true purpose of YouTube setting this goal. Running a YouTube channel isn't like running an Instagram account where you can easily post curated pictures and write really good captions and even have someone manage the entire account for you. To get to 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, the main thing I got out of this is the invaluable experience. The journey is long and tedious for a reason. It is there to test us to see if we are serious about running a YouTube channel, and if we are, YouTube in return is going to be serious with our YouTube channel as well. I hope. But it is because of this journey that I feel that if I were to start a new channel, I would have the basics and the knowledge on what to do from the start. And this is something I see a lot in small channels that are monetized. They still aren't sure what the basics are, but they got lucky with one video, the video went viral, it blew up, and they don't know why. Anyways, now that I'm monetized, I feel like there's this heavy burden that's been lifted from my shoulder, and I feel more relaxed, and I feel like I can start experimenting around again without worrying too much about my watch hours. Basically, I feel great because now I only need to focus on my views and my subscribers. If you have yet to monetize, I urge you not to give up because it is definitely worth it. If I can do it in 1.5 years, then you can definitely do it in a lot less time because I'm always the worst case scenario here. Alright guys, that's all from me. Exciting time ahead for me for sure. I'm excited to experiment different topics as well, so looking forward to that too. But thanks for watching my videos so far. Thanks for your constant support. I wouldn't be able to do this without all of your comments and likes and your engagement. I owe it to every one of you watching. I am here because of you. And don't worry, I'm always here to lend you a hand to pull you up when you need it. If you need more help, then do check out these videos I have over here that can help you grow your YouTube channel by understanding certain YouTube analytics differently. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you soon.